how to set date and menu bar on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Control Center. In Control Center, okay, scroll down and menu bar section. Okay, you can see here the clock. Okay, and on the right side of this, you can see the clock option button. So you can click this. And here in pop-up, okay, you can see the date. And below of this, you can see the show date. And the show date is set into when space allow. So to set this date, okay, you'll have to just click the arrow up and down button on the right side of this show date. And you can see the option. So you can set the show date into when space allow, always, or you can set into never. And this tutorial, I'll set the date into always. And also you can see the show the day of the week. So the show the day of the week is turned on, means you can see the day of the week on menu bar. So if you want to disable or hide this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this show the day of the week. And but I decide to enable or show the day of the week in menu bar of my MacBook Air. And after that, okay, click the done button below and okay, to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the date in menu bar on MacBook Air.